Hey guys, I want to introduce myself and welcome you to the PDR Workshop website. My name is Christopher Ray, owner and operator of Dentless Touch here in the Washington, D.C. area. We currently have 2 locations and 5 technicians to help manage it all. A little bit about myself. I started as an ASE certified technician back in 2003, and since 2005 on, I've been a PDR technician. Ryan, Dave, and I decided to offer this free Intro to PDR workshop because when we were training, there was absolutely no information about PDR. For someone that's trying to get into the industry or make a switch on career paths, we want to make sure we give you as much information and don't make that decision difficult. Some of the things that we will go over in this class: tools used to actually perform the repair, what's repairable and what's not, the difference between steel and aluminum, the typical training process. Also, we will be performing live demonstrations and you will get the chance to try it out for yourself. Hopefully this video has been helpful and can't wait to see you in the next class. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Thank you.